Hi, I'm Reeves, stylist and educator for BaBylissPRO, and I'd like to share with you the Optima 3000 stainless steel straightening iron. The Optima 3000 is jam-packed full of cutting-edge technology and by far one of the most advanced heat styling tools on the market. Firstly, you'll notice the sleek space-like design with the convex housing, which makes it the perfect tool for smoothing, waving and curling the hair. With the aircraft-grade titanium plates, high-density dual ceramic heating system, ion multiplying technology, and high-capacity ion generator, making the Optima 3000 the ultimate styler. Okay, now to style. So simply select your desired temperature. So we're going to work at the 210 degrees today. Even though we've got a lot of curls here, it is finer textured hair, so that's the perfect amount of temperature for that hair type. And now the thing I love about the Optima is you can actually use quite large sections even on this amount of curl. It's really important that we always work with really clean, precise sections, and this is just going to create a much more even finish on the wave or the straightness at the end. We're going to comb through this section, making sure that it's tangle free, holding the Optima now through close to the roots and really gently combing through. Now I like to follow the comb through. This just allows that hair to separate and give you a much more even smoothness. The thing I love about Optima too, even on this amount of curl, it really is a one pass smooth. You can see how beautiful and smooth that is with that one pass. So now I've shown you how the Optima can create beautiful smoothness from that tight natural curl. We're going to add a smooth bounce and wave back through the hair. So showing you the versatility of the Optima, simply get a section. We're going to do a full wrap around, so 360-degree wrap, and gently, slowly slide the Optima away from the head, down the hair, to create a beautiful soft curl. Just continue that process around the whole head. Now we've created this beautiful soft curl. To finish off, we're going to use the BaByliss Stylist finishing brush to gently brush out these curls and create a beautiful soft wave.